All right, welcome to Lucid Concrete Services. Today we are gonna get this slab ready to get poured on. It's gonna be a garage floor. It's gonna give it a good pressure wash right now, give it a good cleaning. Put in some rebar and some poly. We're gonna put some glue over top of the existing concrete the day before I pour, when it's not raining out. And then yeah, we're gonna pour it. It's about 4.5 inches thick. It'll have a polished finish. Let's go. I blasted the hell out of it with the pressure washer, 3500 psi. Got her all cleaned up. Now I'm gonna drill the holes for the rebar. All right, I'm gonna lay down some poly for a Vapour Barrier along the side that has the gravel on it. All right, rebar grid is laid. Now I'm going to tie it all together. Ready to go. When we get a nice day, I'm going to come put the adhesive down to bond the new concrete to the old. I'm going to place this slab off the chute of the truck and give it a polished finish. All right, good morning. It's a pour day. Here's the slab. It's waiting on concrete. Concrete is here. Slab is poured and bull floated. All right, I placed the slab at about 7:30 a.m. It's now about noon, and I have 2% accelerator in this because it's a bit cooler out. And now I'm about to take my first pass over the slab with the mag it all up, and then after that I'll trowel it hopefully 1-2 times and get it polished. All right, we got the first pass done with the mag. It's all magged up and nice and wispy, and it's going off. The sun's on it now. 2% accelerator. Should only be one more pass, maybe 2, next few hours, and she'll be polished. All right, it is almost 1 o'clock, and I'm about to get on there and do the first trowel. Let's go.